I know that we are going to push the frontier of physics knowledge. Specifically, what I do is study a lot of materials called quantum materials. Recently, we have a breakthrough in the development of low-dimensional material called graphene. Graphene is single atomic layer carbon atoms. We grew graphene at room temperature. The way we grow the sample, it becomes flawless and such excellent quality that its electrical mobility is 30-40 times better than silicon. They are 200 times stronger than steel, also lightweight, and the material becomes very, very robust. It takes a very short time to grow the material. That's in contrast to what other people did in the past. They had to go to 1000 degrees centigrade, and that's incompatible with most electronic components or anything. 9 to 10 different steps, 10 hours at least, to get reasonable quality materials. These wonderful graphene sheets now, they're perfect. And then we can deliberately induce imperfection. We engineer some nanostructures, and then we can put graphene on top of them. And that can actually control the electronic properties. So this is a breakthrough that can really potentially transform modern technology. These materials are completely environmentally friendly. We can use them in solar panels to replace indium tin oxide as a transparent conduction electrodes. In energy storage, recharging of batteries, usually that process is not very efficient. They involve a lot of toxic chemicals. So if we can use them for wonderful nanoelectronics, desalination, for the next generation of integrated circuits, light-emitting diodes, for supercapacitors, the implications for technology are enormous.